In this video, I'm going to show you a real way that you can make money online right now. It's simple and it's not going to require a large investment, and it's probably, if you're a beginner, one of the most simple things that you can do to get started and make real money. I mean, it's a great feeling when you finally see some money coming in. You know, if you're looking into this and you've tried different things, there's a lot of scams and a lot of crap out there, really, to be honest. But this is simple. You get an item from China for cheap, and for a cheap price, and you resell it in a market that you can make a profit in. So this app right here, I'm going to be showing you all apps, by the way. That's why we're here on my Google Photos. So this is Joom, Joom, and I'm going to put the link to all these apps in the description. So here we go. This app is a very good place to go for cheap items from China that have free shipping. So I'm just scrolling through here showing you guys a lot of really oddly cheap items, odd compared to a normal main selling platform or a main place like Amazon or eBay. So for the purposes of this video, I chose this little item here, K9 shirt for your dog. I found it and I seen real quick that it's on eBay and it's selling, so thought, why not? Let's make it on this. So here you go. It's 90 cents. I'm going to go ahead and bump the quantity up to about 20. That's a pretty good amount of units to start with, make some money. And you can see it's going to cost you 18 bucks with free shipping. So not too bad if you're looking to get started. $18, I think you can swing that. So here we go over to eBay, and like I said, I've already found this item. I know it's on eBay, so you can see it in my recents. We search it up. Now here's the most important thing you got to do when you go to eBay. Filter and click sold and completed items. Now pause it real quick. The reason you do this is because if you go on eBay, okay, first of all, you found an item on Joom and you like it and you're like, hey, let me see if this is on eBay real quick so I know it's probably an item that people are interested in. You go on eBay, you search it up, and you see, oh yeah, right here, oh man, it's selling for $10. That's way more than 90 cents. That's great. Well, just because someone lists something for something doesn't mean that it actually sells for that. It may seem obvious, but all you got to do is turn on sold items and completed items. Again, you click filter and pull it down and select the two. You do that because here we have this exact same item and it shows that it's sold on 5/18, which is today's date, for $3.99. The buyer pays the shipping. So $4 that you're going to get. 90 cents, you're making a little over $3. It's not a lot, but it is real money, and of course there is products that are more profitable than this. So now it's just going to loop. So in conclusion with that, this is the first method. It's a real way to actually start making some money. It's pretty simple, right? So here is, if I go back, my second video that I made for you guys using an app called Vipin. And Vipin is a app that Amazon sellers use to discount their products up to 99%, or I guess they could do 100%, but really cheap on most items. Huge discounts from what they're actually selling for on Amazon. And if you're wondering why they do this, they are actually not making money on most of these deals. They will give away a certain amount to boost their sales. So if they see that they're ranking down on page 10 and they want to rank to page 1, in simple terms, the only way to get up to page 1 is to sell as many units or more as the people on page 1. So they come on here, and people love free and cheap stuff. Obviously, they're able to get rid of it. So I'm just kind of scrolling through here, showing you guys different tabs, instant and upcoming. Upcoming is a place where you'll find really good prices, like I don't know why, just upcoming, you get a timer. So not sure why they do that, but you get a timer, and you can set the timer on your phone and see that in this amount of time this product will be available for 9 cents. That is incredibly cheap, especially when you look at the price over here, $9 on Amazon. So I'm just going to scroll down until I find the product, and basically what you're going to do is basically the same thing that you did with Joom and eBay, but we're using two different apps here. So this is just a different method of going about it, and you can do whatever works for you. but looks like I'm still looking for the product. Um, Here's the product I'm going to choose. I just don't know it yet. So yeah, I seen this product on here, $4.80, and I know that this product would probably sell. I mean, everybody likes little Bluetooth speakers, high demand. So you just click it, you open up Amazon, but you don't have to do this. I did this to show you guys and to grab an image. So $15.99, and you're gonna be getting it for $4.80 with Prime shipping, no strings attached. So I screenshotted this image here just to show you. Crop it up real quick. How really simple this is. We're gonna take this image and go over to the next app. I don't know why I went back here. Be patient with me, guys. A little slow. Mercari. So what Mercari is, this app is a little bit different than eBay, and the reason I like this app is because it doesn't really have a ranking system. So on eBay you have a ranking system, basically meaning that if you are a new seller, it's very unlikely that you're going to have trust within eBay and within like normal buyers on eBay. So your products aren't going to get that many views. It's still possible to sell, and you will sell, and it's going to take some time before you start selling like crazy, because you're going to need a lot of 5-star reviews and whatnot in order for people to really trust you and just kind of get higher and higher on the listings. So with Mercari, but before I move on to Mercari, don't hesitate to list something on eBay and see if it sells, because it's very likely that it will. It's just you'll notice that things sell a lot quicker. You're able to sell more things, a wider variety, and overall you'll just notice more views on your listings once you have been selling successfully for a while and have good reviews. So Mercari, the reason it's different is you actually don't have a ranking system. It's more like an Instagram feed. When you upload something, it's at the top, so potentially millions of people could see it while it's in the beginning stages, and then from that point, as it moves down, people are constantly searching on here, so you still get a lot more views within this app. Like I say, millions. There's a lot of people that use this app, and they're constantly searching for things. So you put a Bluetooth speaker on here, probably gonna sell it. So I'm just showing you guys the app real quick. Try not to waste too much time. You select your image of your product. Once you go to the sell tab at the bottom, went by it pretty quickly, but it's simple. It's just like the app Letgo, except this is all online. So you just fill out the information real quick, make your buyer pay the shipping if you want to, just so you make the most money, and add a couple images, title, description, brand, condition. Condition's gonna be new, and it's looping again. So a couple things real quick about that. If you're purchasing it through Amazon, it's actually against TOS, terms of service, to ship an item directly from Amazon to a random person's address, because they just don't allow that. Because I mean, you could really just be using their service that they provide to you as a Prime member to make money, and I'm sure people do it. I've never done it. I wouldn't feel comfortable doing it. So it's real simple. Ship the item to your house as if it's a product that you would buy normally, and obviously you got it for a big discount through Vipin. And then just tear the label off the box where it says your information, and then Mercari gives you a label that you print out and you stick it on the box and you ship it right back out. So, or if you want to put it in a different box, you can. It doesn't really matter at that point. But just ship it to your house first, quickly, slap the Mercari label on and ship it out. That way you're not kind of like cheating Amazon and like taking advantage of their system, because if they find out, they're probably not going to like that. So, I mean, they put in a lot of work to make their packages get delivered to your house in the short amount of time that they do. So I guess that's it for Vipin. One more thing I could say about Joom is that Joom is sourcing products through China, and although I don't really recommend this method, what you could do is you could find a product and you could list it on eBay or Mercari or another selling platform that you found that works for you. Like, this concept is the same. It's really simple. These are just some examples of how you can successfully do it, and methods that I've used that I know work. So this is called drop shipping, what I'm about to tell you, if you never heard of it. Drop shipping would be when you take an item that is for sale cheaper, and you bring it to a different marketplace and you list it for a higher price, and only when it sells do you purchase it and ship it out. So from Joom, since it's coming from suppliers in China, they don't care if you ship it to multiple different addresses all the time. So it just depends on the shipping, really. If you see a product's going to have 30-day shipping, I probably wouldn't do this. I'd probably go ahead and get the inventory to your house. But if it's got 9-day shipping, that's probably going to be okay with your buyer. They're probably not going to leave negative feedback. So I just don't recommend it if you have a little bit of money to start up with anyway. I'd go ahead and get the products to your house, at least 20 units, and see how they sell. If anything, you can get rid of them. Just hustle, get rid of the products, try a different product, and just don't give up, because this is obviously not super easy, but it's super simple. So you can try it over and over again. I mean, you're not going to be successful at anything unless you're willing to fail multiple times. Fail, 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 like time and time again, and just get back up and give it your best shot, because nothing is really easy. And if it was, I mean, it just can't be that way. The universe doesn't work that way. We can't have a bunch of people that are extremely successful. We have to have a lot of people that are willing to try it, but then they give up right after it doesn't work, But right after failure comes success, and it might not be your first failure. It might be after 100 failures that you start making money. But that's why I'm teaching you guys this, because it really is something simple that I learned a long time ago, and it's a clear way that works that you make money. So I hope this helped you guys. Like I said, I'll put the links in the description for you to download these apps, and just go on here, take your time, do a little research, and hopefully you'll make your first few dollars online. And if you find a good product, maybe you could even make your first few $100s online. So you guys can leave me a comment below if you want. This is my first video teaching people how to do stuff, so I figured it would be helpful if any of you are just getting started or interested in just the opportunities that are out there. But leave me a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, or you can message me on YouTube. If you like the video, if you want to see more, just let me know.